Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.4, Problem 1. This is Section 4.4, Problem 1. It says write each percent as a fraction or mixed number that is reduced to its lowest terms. And we start with 57%. So to make a percent into a fraction, what you want to start with is that percent over 100. 57 over 100. And then you reduce it, if you can. Now 57 over 100 won't reduce, so that's 57% as a fraction. The next one, very similar, you put the percent over 100. So 29% becomes 29 over 100. And then you reduce it if you can. And 29 over 100 won't reduce, so you're done. The next one, 25%, write it as a fraction. So you put the percent over 100, 25 over 100. Now that one can reduce. 25 divides into both the numerator and denominator evenly. 25 divides into 25 once. 25 divides into 100 4 times. So 25% is 1/4. And 145%, write that as a fraction. So start with the percent over 100. So you'd have 145 over 100. Now that will reduce. I can say I can at least divide it by 5. 145 divided by 5 is 29. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. So I have 29 over 20. It will not reduce any further. You can write it as a mixed number if you want, a number with a fraction. So I know that 20 over 20 is 1, and I have 9 more 20ths. So you could say 29 over 20 or 1 and 9 20ths. Right, again, the 20 over 20 represents the 1, and then there's 9 20ths in addition to the 20 over 20. And finally, the last one, 100%, write it as a fraction or mixed number reduced to its lowest term. So write the percent over 100. So you'd have 100 over 100. That reduces, of course, because 100 divides into both evenly. So it just reduces to 1. 100% is equivalent to just 1.